Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today we're going to have some peanut butter soup with some banku. Let's get started. I'm going to blend ginger, garlic and onions to steam my meat. I'm just pouring the blended ingredients into my meat. I'm using Sankofa spices and soup to season my meat. Next, I'm using Onga shrimp cube. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I'll be using Aromat's flavor enhancer. Just a teaspoon. And also salt to taste. I'm going to stir and mix everything together. I'm using a tablespoon spoon of tomato puree. Next, I'm going to stir and cover it up for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be blending some chopped tomatoes, onion, some habanero peppers, and sweet pepper. Pouring the blended ingredients into my meat and give it a good stir. Next, I'm going in with my hot water. Just a quick tip, I usually start cooking my soup on a high heat and gradually reduce the heat as I'm cooking. Give it a stir and cover it up, leaving it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And next, I'll be using about 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. For this soup, we'll be having it with some banku, rice balls, and mochiro. You can even have it with rice. You can reduce your peanut butter paste if you want your soup a bit lighter. I'm going to cover it up and let it boil for 10 to 15 minutes and stirring occasionally. My soup was too thick, so I'm just adding in some water to soften it up and make it a bit lighter. When you see the oil forming on top of your soup, that means it's almost ready. I just added in some green habanero peppers just to make it a bit hot. I've got my okra on the side, ready to pair it with the granite soup with my banku. I had already prepared the banku on the side. I'm just dishing out my husband's food. Trust me, it was so yummy and delicious. That's the okra going in now. This food was so yummy. If you've watched this video up until this minute, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.